Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to pay using GCash in 7-Eleven. So this is a step-by-step guide how to pay GCash in 7-Eleven. So first thing you need to do is visit any 7-Eleven branch and use the click wizard. Upon entering any 7-Eleven store, locate the dedicated click kiosk. This interactive terminal is your gateway to various digital services, including GCash transaction. At the click, tap the e-money option on the screen to proceed. From the list of available services, select GCash. Carefully enter your GCash registration number and the desired amount you wish to pay or top up. Review your transaction details and confirm to generate a payment barcode. Step 2, pay at the cashier and get confirmation with your printed barcode in hand. Head to the cashier to complete your transaction quickly and efficiently, and then present a printed barcode receipt to the 7-Eleven cashier. Pay the indicated amount in cash. The cashier will scan the barcode to proceed your payment. After payment, you will receive a physical payment receipt from the cashier. Almost instantly, you will receive an SMS notification on your GCash registration number confirming the successful completion of your payment or top up. So bonus, using the Click mobile app for more convenience, access the Click app, open the Click app on your smartphone, tap Add e-money and select GCash to begin. Then generate your barcode, enter mobile number and the amount, then confirm the details. The app will generate a unique barcode for your transactions. Show and pay at the cashier. Simply show the barcode on your phone to the 7-Eleven cashier, pay the requirement amount to finalize your transaction. Instant confirmation, experience fast contactless payment with immediate SMS confirmation, confirming your GCash payment is successful. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.